I want to make a quick clip before I go in and eat dinner. Put all this stuff away and go in and eat dinner. Alright, first of all, what a pain in the ass this thing is to get just to the engine. All the stuff I had to take off of it. Oh my god. Took like at least a half an hour to get all that stuff up there. But anyway, I finally got to it. And then I noticed it had the older 3-legged coil, which I was kind of surprised because it's 1965. So evidently 65 must have been the changeover year going into 66, because you can't really put a magnetron ignition on this thing because it's got that old 3-legged coil. I mean, I know that Terrell made a video. He went through the trouble of modifying one to make it fit, but otherwise, forget it. You can't use it. It doesn't just go on there like I thought it would. But I was able to get behind there and clean the points, and now let's see. Can't turn the light off on this thing now that I've got it going. Let me see. There. All the way. No. Let's see if it'll pick it up. I doubt it will. And it's too bright, and I'm using my hand to turn it over, so you only get a little bit, but come on, show it. It's not going to show it with this light on. Why won't it let me shut it off? Here. Damn. Well, that kind of sucks. I wish I knew how to turn the stupid light off all the way. Keep it off. There's no way to do that? Huh. Come on. Caught it. I caught it. Yeah, I think it caught it that time. I got it. I regained spark. So all I had to do was clean the points. I put an emery cloth in between them. And then I cleaned. There it was. And then I sprayed some contact cleaner, and I got them to come back. But man, it sucks. It must have sucked having to work on this thing back in the day. Back when they only had points and you had to take off all those shields to work on this thing. Oh my god. It must have been a pain in the ass. So, I'll tell you what, we got a lot easier now. Back then, you really had to work to get some of these things going. The way some of these machines are built, all the shields you got to take off just to get to the thing and then deal with the points. Just dealing with the points is a pain, but having to deal with all that just to get to them, that was something else. But anyway, I got the spark back, and while we're at it, I was able to look in the tank, and there's no it's clean in there. It's clean, fresh gas in there, so we might be ready to fire this up tomorrow. So I'm happy about that. And then once it's running, I'll show it running, operating, and then list it for sale and get it out of here. So that's good. Alright, just wanted to share that. Later, guys.